So this device was launched by Meta, that is the parent company of Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, and every social media platform that you use. And in this video, I'm going to disclose what I found inside the device. This device was not publicly available, but an employee at Meta had their hands on this device, and luckily it was running Android, and I took a fast boot and I just grab all the files, and let's see what turns out to be inside this video. So without wasting time, let's start with the video. So companies like Meta have products like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and these products are completely free, right? You are the product and these are not free at all. And you are the actual product and they are selling your data, your privacy, your audio is being recorded. And I don't know the backend and the privacy thing behind Meta, and nor I'm claiming that they are the bad guys, just trying to expose that you are the actual product. And these softwares, these platforms cost hell lot of money to run the servers, to patch updates and to release new updates. So how they actually make money, they basically sell your privacy or sell your data for ad campaigns. That is what it is shown publicly. But yes, there are a lot of things. So basically I had a hands on a device which was made by Meta, but this device was not publicly released and it was in development phase. So the employee at Meta, they basically gave the device to me and I had my hands on the device for pretty much 3 or 4 months. And to my surprise, it was a hell heavy device and it was just a photo frame which could show you Instagram photos. And if you use a 200-gram ESP and a display, it could actually replicate the device, the functionality of the device. But to my surprise, the weight of the device was almost 2 kgs, and it was just a photo frame that had a camera, and you could actually show the photos of your Instagram or Facebook profile. Now just imagine having to fetch the data from Instagram and Facebook. What all you need? Internet, okay, and everything is on the internet and a display. That's all. So you just have a 200 rupees ESP board and you can create a web app which can fetch the data and show you as a photo frame. So what can be the weight of the device? It can be approximately 500 grams, right? But this device was around more than that, and to my surprise I was actually surprised and curious what is inside the device. So I went back and did my research and found out that it was actually running a whole Android operating system. And in Android operating system, I've made a lot of videos on it previously as well on my LinkedIn profile. In Android we have something called ADB and fastboot, and we can root the whole Android device with just few commands. So you just need fast boot access. So the device that I had, it was actually running Android, and I was not allowed to go to the settings, and almost everything was locked. But what I did is I basically used ADB to get inside the setting, press the build number 7 times to unlock the developer mode, and then get access to the ADB shell. And after getting access to the ADB shell, I just booted into the fast boot mode. Now the device name was pretty much seen, and once inside the fast boot mode, I was able to grab the whole operating system and do my investigation on the device. And to my surprise, I was really surprised to see that it actually had a Type C cable hidden inside it, and there were 2 buttons. If we talk about the device itself, it's a small 7-inch display and the device is quite thick. And usually what people do is they keep these kind of photo frames in their bedroom, in their hall, and they are not concerned about their privacy. So there is a camera which allows you, initially the concept was it should allow you to take pictures and upload it on Instagram, and it should work like a photo frame kept on your table. Now just imagine a photo frame that is just kept on your table, on your bed, inside your bedroom, inside your living room, and what kind of privacy things are going on inside the device itself. So the device, I what I did is I basically rooted the device. I grabbed the whole operating system, and using fastboot, I was able to first of all get all the data. All the data includes all the apps that were pre-installed, and usually in Linux we have we every processing every file that is processing is like a file format, and similarly in Android we have packages and all those things. I was able to grab all the packages that are installed and what permissions they are taking and how often they are running the packages and how the packages are sending the data and what kind of data is being sent. So I was able to connect it to my network, which was sandboxed, and I was able to analyze what things are inside it. So for legal purpose, I would stop the video over here, but you know what is going on and where the video is going, and I'm not claiming anything on Meta or the employee who gave the device to me, but I'm just telling you things that free products are not actually the free, and you are the product of that company. So let's come back to the device. Just a camera and a 7-inch, claiming to be 7-inch, but I think it is smaller than my 7-inch laptop. It has a Type-C cable which was hidden and was not intended to power it because the power cable is different, and we have a privacy lock button. I assume that it disconnects the hardware directly, the hardware mic directly from the board, and then we have a speaker. The power cable was hidden over here, and that's all the feature are. No application or Play Store or App Store, and inside the App Store you can just have a browser, and this is complete Android, but you will not be able to install any APKs. Everything on this device is logged, and you were able to get access to the settings. But even though if you get access to the setting, the device tree was released, and you will be able to see the source code and everything, but even after doing that you won't be able to get into developer mode or get ADB access. So somehow I had to root the device and get the ADB access and the fastboot access to the device, and yes, of course, the volume buttons to get into the fastboot mode. One thing that surprises me the most is you have to connect your WhatsApp profile and Facebook and Instagram, everything in this simple device. So I don't know why they had done access to WhatsApp. Initially they had a build wherein you can do WhatsApp video calls on this device while on your table, but every other features is disabled and the device is taken off the marketplace. So anything that you get for free is not actually free, and if you are into cybersecurity, then I think you should subscribe to my channel. Again, it's me Priyank, and you are watching my channel Priyank Gada.